You wake up tired. You drag through the day. You stare at your screen, eyes open, but your brain's in airplane mode. You've slept 8 hours, maybe more, but somehow you still feel drained, sluggish, unmotivated, like you're living in low power mode. And you start to think, maybe I'm just lazy. Maybe I'm not built for this. You're wrong, because you're not tired from what you do. You're tired from what you keep doing without even noticing. It's one habit, and it's draining your energy faster than you can recover. Let's talk about it. Here's the habit. Mental clutter, thinking too much, worrying too much, constantly switching tasks, trying to solve problems that haven't even happened yet. Your mind is never still. It's on 24/7, even when you're resting, even when you're lying in bed, even when you're doing nothing. Your brain is racing, and it's burning fuel nonstop. That's why you're tired. It's not physical, it's mental. Step 1, you need to stop carrying thoughts that aren't yours. You wake up already overwhelmed, because before you've even touched your phone, you've already picked up the weight of other people's expectations, judgments, comparisons, noise. You're thinking about what people will think, about how to please, about how not to mess up. That load, it's exhausting, and it doesn't belong to you. Cool people, calm people, they don't carry what's not theirs. They drop it, they stay in their own lane, and they protect their peace like it's oxygen. You need to start doing the same. Step 2, kill the habit of task switching. You think you're multitasking, but really, you're just interrupting yourself over and over again. Start a project, check your phone, back to work. Oh, text message, email, back to work. Wait, what's trending? Each switch drains energy, even if you don't notice it. It's not the task that tires you, it's how often you leave and come back to it. So here's the fix. One task, one block of time, 0 interruptions. Even 30 minutes of undistracted focus, Coeta, will give you more energy than 3 hours of chaos. Step 3, create mental silence on purpose. If your brain never rests, it never recovers. You don't need a 10-day silent retreat. You just need 10 minutes. 10 minutes of no phone, no scrolling, no noise, no reacting. Just sit, breathe. Let your brain catch up with your body. That's how you recharge. You charge. Not with caffeine, not with naps, but with stillness. Do it daily, even if it feels weird, especially if it feels weird. Metal. That means you need it. Step 4, stop consuming more than you create. You're overstimulated, constantly watching, scrolling, absorbing, reacting, and none of it is helping. It's just stacking tabs in your brain, until it crashes. Cool people don't do that. They consume intentionally. They create more than they consume. They know input without output leads to mental constipation. So, instead of watching 3 more videos, go write something, build something, move, speak, share, create. Use your mind for something real, and the fatigue will start to fade. Final step. Let go of the need to solve everything now. You lie in bed thinking, what if this happens? Did I say the wrong thing? How do I fix everything all at once? Stop. You're trying to control what hasn't even happened yet. You're fighting battles that aren't even real, and it's draining you. Here's your new rule. Not everything needs a solution right now. Some things just need space. Some questions don't need answers yet. Some problems solve themselves when you stop staring at them. Let go, just a little. Trust your future self to handle it when it matters, because you will. You always do. So if you're always tired, stop blaming your schedule. Start looking at your mental habits. You're not lazy. You're just overwhelmed. You're not broken. You're just carrying too much, too often, for too long. So start here. Less thinking, more doing, less noise, more silence, less reaction, more presence. Fix that one habit, and you'll feel the energy coming back, day by day, breath by breath, piece by choice.